My name is Mousree and today we will learn at how to make a cool color selector in scratch3. Of course, this is a version scratch3 18.1 and here it is a backdrop with lovely color selector and a heart. So here is that when I click this, here is a small dot which is just coming towards our mouse pointer, and if I click in here, like I'm just clicking in red, let's click on the space and just round your mouse normally round, don't click anything, just freely round like, and it will be drawing. And then if I click in here, like, I'm just clicking here in this position. I like this color very much, so we can see that it's viewing Prussian blue. If I click in like here, green and blue, light blue, sky blue, then it's just covering sky blue. Wow. Clicking here and then it's like brownish. As I click in red, orange and yellow. So yeah, perfect for me. Clicking in the bottom of this, it's black, and then here is a bright constant. It's bright in the upper and not bright in the in here. It's the time. These are the bright color. These colors are bright, and these colors are dull colors. This is also light blue. You know that, but this is dull. So now, like, click here. Look, this is also light blue, but this is dull. Let's keep on the red. It's brown. If I click in here, it's really goes to orange. Clicking here, it's no, this is orange, this is red. Yeah, so click here. Oh wow. And if I one thing that if I click and then click and then round, so it must be like I'm just doing, look, I am clicking and then it's no, like this. So no, I mean you can see that it's unicorn. Yeah, it's perfect. It's unicorn horns. Oh man. So, and if I click here, it erases. So let's make, and this is normal, like there is nothing. So yeah, this is the background. Let's go to the sprite one. Sprite one is really very small. We can see that it's coming with the mouse pointer. Look, yeah. So this is the sprite one. Mind it to be very small. And now this is the code. Let's make it normal. Okay, so this is the code. Okay, let's go here. So guys, this was the code. It's really easy. One thing that here is penna. You will tell that why here is penna. If I cut this penna, clicking here, here is a line. Clicking this, it goes, but the line also do this. So not covering the line, click on the penna. So guys, this was our today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.